大家好，我是奥地利的小胡。There's one language, no, every. Okay. 大家好，我是奥地利的小胡。If there's one language, we understand. 大家好，我是奥地利的小胡。If there's one language, everyone around the world understands it's chocolate. 所以今天我们做巧克力慕斯。做巧克力慕斯里面要盐、糖、黄油，然后70% dark chocolate。我这里有一点不同的水果，然后今天我用新鲜的鸡蛋。Watch out when you buy the egg, buy high quality and really good and cleaned eggs outside, so there's no bacteria on the outside of the eggshell, because that's normally where most of the bacteria is. If you still feel scared to use this kind of eggs, you can online buy pasteurized egg white, egg yellow, and you could use this. Then you will be 100% sure that there will be no bacteria inside. 我们也要一点奶油，一个小锅，很多小的碗，两个大的碗，一个这种，一个这种。先我们用一个小锅放到一点开水，然后一个碗放在上面。想新一点，这个水，不要摸上面那个碗的地方。哦，加 2/3 我们的巧克力和这个黄油 ，and melt it。先我们这个蛋白、蛋黄分开，加一勺开水、糖和盐，然后搅拌均匀。下一步我们加 the rest of the chocolate 放到我们的 melted chocolate。这个是因为我们不喜欢这个巧克力的温度太高了。This you call it tempering the chocolate. Now we use this egg and just slowly lift it under the chocolate, gently steering and lifting it under. 把蛋白打发，小心一点。这个碗要很干净，不要油，不要水。下一步，这个巧克力和蛋黄放到蛋白。Everything goes inside. Don't waste this nice chocolate. And then just 慢慢 really carefully 搅拌均匀。Now 我们把我们的奶油，所以现在也所有的东西要很干净，很干净 ，otherwise this really won't work. That's how it looks like. 如果你用一个很便宜的 mixer， 没有关系，就这个奶油放到我们的巧克力的鸡蛋的 mix， 慢慢搅拌均匀。搅拌均匀后，放到一个碗。 然后我知道了 ，the temptation is really big， 但是就盖起来，然后放到冰箱3到4个小时，可以吃。谢谢啊。好好吃，我这么爱巧克力。It's like, I'm in chocolate heaven, you know? That's how it tastes like. 真的好吃，然后这个很细腻的巧克力慕斯，配这个一点点酸的新鲜的水果，然后这个水果酱，我试下这个berry foam that I made， more berry foam， 太好吃了，因为这个巧克力慕斯 the flavor is a little bit heavy, so this really fresh。Like fruit mousse, berry mousse, gives this really perfect balance to make it a bit more light. And the best part of all, the roasted almonds on top. Oh, like a dream. Ah. 谢谢你看我的视频，是你让我想要努力拍更好的视频和说中文。点赞、分享和 please 关注我，你的关注才能让我继续拍摄。Love you guys.